And now we have news coming in from the Delhi High Court. The centre has submitted a report on the Indigo crisis in the court today. The centre has informed the High Court about all the action that has been taken against Indigo. In fact, the centre has informed the High Court that the senior vice president of Indigo has been laid off, and penalties have also been imposed on the airline, and the COO has been warned. These are the actions that the centre has informed the High Court about. And joining us on the phone line is India Today's Nalini Sharma. Nalini, what all details has the centre submitted, and also what has Indigo said in this matter?
Anjali, there are two reports that have been filed before the Delhi High Court today. Number one is the incident report. What had happened when the crisis had broken out in Indigo, which had led to cancellations and delays in several flights across the country, which had left several passengers also stranded. But that report, interestingly, has been filed in a sealed cover, which means that the centre, rather the DGCA, who has filed this report, does not want these details out in the public domain, what was behind the entire crisis that had ensued. The other report that has been filed by the DGCA is the action taken report. Basically, whatever happened after the crisis, what action has been taken against Indigo for the suffering of several passengers across the country. So in that regard, they've said that the senior VP has been laid off, the CEO has been warned, and several penalties have also been imposed. This action taken report, a copy of this will be shared with the petitioner and other parties in this case, including the central government. But the other report will continue to remain in a sealed cover. Another thing that Indigo has been asked to do is to ensure that compensation is paid out to all the passengers, not only the refund, but also the compensation for them being stranded at these airports is done on the earliest basis. And 2 weeks' time has been given to Indigo to file their affidavit with all the details regarding the payments that have already been made out.
Right, Nalini. Thank you for all those details.